the cloud. Okay, there we go. So I'm having to do this, guys. It is Wednesday night, and I'm having to do this on, ta-da, my phone, because the power went out, and my router is rebooting. And then what's the other thing that's happening? Oh, and my computer doesn't like it, so I can't get rolling here. So I just wanted to tell you that Wednesday, I know that Lindsay, this is your second day. Tracy, I think this is your first day because you just got back from California. Kirsten has been doing it for a while. Sharon has been doing it with me. We're on day 3, and everybody is sort of facing the same issues of, having the 2 shakes. And I'm interested in knowing, are they sustaining you from one meal to the next? And here's the thing, they don't have to, because you need to eat in between the snacks, whether you don't feel like you're hungry or not. You need to drink, whether you feel like you're not thirsty or whether you're thirsty or not. So remember that, keep that going. Let's see, the other thing that I wanted to talk about was setting an appointment with me to talk on. We can talk on the phone, or we can do face-to-face through the messenger, Facebook Messenger. We can do a video call and talk and try to set up your happily ever after, the next step, the after. Because I know one of the things that happened when I did the cleanse, the 7-day cleanse, there was only one person out of the group of people who continued to go on and lose more weight. And that's kudos to her for doing that. But I don't know that anybody else was able to. I wasn't able to stay with the program and everything. And I got back to eating the things that were not the best for me. You have to remember that it's set up so that everybody is eating the best foods. They're really the best foods that we're supposed to be eating anyway. And, so we need to shift our minds into recognizing that they're actually really better for us. Not just that they're healthy, but they help our lives to be sustainable. When you're eating junk, there isn't anything in there that can keep your heart working and your organs working and your body moving and your energy level and your hormones doing what they're supposed to do. Because, there are a lot of hormones, more than estrogen and progesterone. There's a lot of stuff, and thyroid. I mean, there's a lot of hormones in the body. And they all need to have supplementation. They need to have the nutrients in order to work. So remember, I got a really good picture today of what happens when you're dehydrated. My little dog was dehydrated, and she started yesterday with problems I thought she had a bladder infection because she kept trying to go to the bathroom, but she wasn't going to the bathroom. And then, I don't know, I imagine all sorts of horrible things, but she couldn't go to the bathroom at all. Not defecating or urinating, neither. And it was because she was dehydrated. So in her little body, it showed up really fast. And so we're working with that to get her back up to speed. But the same sorts of things will happen to you if you don't have enough water in your body. Your head will get muddled. You're not able to operate and to move. And so it's important to keep that water in you. Our bodies are made up of water. So remember that, water, 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 water. And I'm not sure how I'm going to get out of here. I got it. There we go. And so you guys have a great evening, and I'll send this to you. Okay. Thanks very much.